friends, so now we study the hemorrhage in this video. First we see the definition. Hemorrhage can be defined as release of the blood from the broken vessels, either inside or outside. Now we see the types. First of all, we see the types according to the source of the hemorrhage. In this, there is a two types, external and internal. In external, that is revealed outside or seen externally. Now here in this picture we see, now the second is the internal. In this type of hemorrhage, we cannot see the blood from the outside. It is concealed type of a hemorrhage. This type of internal hemorrhage we can see into the peptic ulcer, rupture ectopic gestation and fracture of the major bones. Sometimes it may be revealed or an external hemorrhage. Example like hematoemesis means presence of the blood into the vomiting, melena means presence of the blood into the stool, and hematuria means the presence of the blood into the urine. Now next we see the types according to the site of the hemorrhage. In this there is a three types. First one is the arterial. In this there is a blood comes from the artery. Blood is a bright red into the color. In this the blood is ejected in spurts with each systole of the heart. Now we see the other types. The second one is the venous. In this the blood comes from the vein which is dark red in color. This type of hemorrhage is not very easy to stop. The blood loss is copious when large vein is damaged. Now the third one is the capillary. In this type of hemorrhage, the blood comes from the small capillaries and the blood is bright red in the color. And the most important fact of this hemorrhage, in this the blood oozes out rather than flow. Now next we see the types according to the time of the appearance of the blood. In this there is a three types, primary, reactionary and secondary. So first we see the primary hemorrhage. It is occur at the time of the injury or the operation. Now the second one is the reactionary type of the hemorrhage. In this the hemorrhages occur within the 24 hours after the injury or operation. In this type of hemorrhage there is an increased blood pressure when the patient is recovered from the anesthesia or a shock. Sometimes the bleeding is also due to the coughing, restlessness and vomiting. Now we see the third type, which is a secondary type of hemorrhage. In this, the hemorrhages occur after 7 to 14 days of the injury or the operation. It may occur externally or internally. Now next we study the clinical features of the hemorrhage. In the case of the internal hemorrhage, these are helpful to diagnosis. First is the increase the pulse rate. So the pulse rate is increased and the blood pressure is decreased. Due to the blood loss, the patient appearance is become paler. Restlessness is also seen into the patient. Deep sighing respiration is also seen into the patient. The next clinical feature is the cold clammy extremities. These features are seen due to the continued blood loss. Veins become empty due to the continuous blood loss. Here in this picture we see the paleness in light and dark, both type of skin. Pulse and blood pressure should be measured 1/4 hour. When the blood loss is excessive and the pulse is become of low volume, which is classically known as the thready pulse. Now we see the measurement of the blood loss. First one is the weighing of the swab. When the swabs are soaked with the blood, after that the 1 gram swab is equal to 1 ml of the blood loss considered. And the second method is the measurement of the blood clots. Now the last portion is the treatment of the hemorrhage. First of all, we have to stop the blood loss. Advise the patient for the completely rest. Then pressure and packing should be done from the outside to stop the blood loss. If the blood loss occur into the large amount, we have to stop that by the operative method. First we have to stop it by the artery forceps. And the second one is the clip method. Now we have to restore the blood volume. The blood volume is restored by the blood transfusion. For blood transfusion, the blood sample is sent for the group matching. Only when the blood is not available at that time, the plasma or a plasma substitute is given. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब